So, being the asshole that I am, yeah. If you guys want to, go to Mystery Sovcit Theater, report him, whatever. I think he's got 2 accounts where he's actively impersonating me. Yeah. This guy genuinely needs to stay off the internet. Yeah. What measures can be done now? I could report it. You guys could report it. But honestly, what you probably should do on your own accord, I'm not asking you to do this, but go comment and tell him that you know that he's Mitchell Crooks.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
Because he's so scared of me personally.
Go outside, nerd.
He won't get on panel with me because he knows everything that he's saying is fucking slander. So he won't dare get on panel with me.
Go outside, nerd.
It's very sad. He's also supporting, he supported a kid who grabbed an officer's dick and then got hit. So make that shit make sense. He's just a weird fucking guy overall. Really deserves the worst. Well, has gotten the worst from life, so it is what it is. The asshole that I am, to be fair, again, GJM, to be fair, that's not my phone number, and that's not Mrs. K-Far's phone number. So whose ever phone number he's posting should be fucking furious. That is an Ohio area code phone number. There's a couple people in chat who have my real phone number. It's not that phone number. So, yeah. But that's it. Oh, no, KTZ, it's not your phone number. I don't think it is. It's an Ohio area code. I appreciate it, GJM, because that shit's fucking weird, but at the same time, I think he only does this shit for attention. The asshole that I am. So, like, I'm not going to make a video on it or stream about it because, again, he's fucking weird.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
Seems like his whole family has run away from him because, again, he's fucking weird and likes to steal from them, so. The asshole that I am. Yeah, is he not streaming today? Oh, no, I guess he's not streaming today. The fuck, why post someone's phone number? Because he's weird. He genuinely wants to see me be shot by the police or something. Yeah, he literally doxed me 20 hours ago. Mitchell Crooks.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
I know where you live. I know where you stay.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
Is this really the fight you want to start back up? I've already ruined every single channel you've had. And exposed that you live with fucking roaches. I exposed your fucking stealing from your own mother. Running from fucking court. I exposed all of it. Is that really the thing you want to go down, Mitchell? The asshole that I am. This dude supports fucking sex offenders.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
Who? See, this is how Kevin Farrar operates. He just, if you don't dislike the same people or hate the same people that he dislikes, you're automatically on their camp. You're on their team. I've never operated that way. You can't find many, if at all, any comments or sharing or anything doing with any of these people. This is just more slander and defamation from fake cop who's getting upset that he's being called out for his bullshit and lies. This guy said he will lie about anything. He said he ran a 4.540.
Nice try. Neck beer McPumpkin tits. Nice try. Don't lie. Neck beer McPumpkin tits. Don't lie. You really expect us to believe that shit?
He conveniently lies about everything. I don't associate with the people that you think that I'm like your enemies.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
I know this now. You are 100% a fucking liar.
I'm better at it because I'm a truth teller.
I don't care. I'm not enemies with people except for you because you're a lying shitbag.
The asshole that I am, fucking domestic abusers.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
Yet he's still talking about me. Gotta love it. I think somebody's gonna catch some privacy strikes. The asshole that I am. Really, yes, it is Mystery Sovcit Theater. Yes, it is. If you remember him, he tried to mooch off this community. This is just ridiculous. Apparently, I'm stolen valor. I live in a basement. I'm clearly on the second floor of my fucking home that I own.
Again, you do not own the property. Skylar Hall owns the property that you currently, your basement Twitch streamer, 13-year-old fucking basement room, whatever, owns. You don't own shit. That's the lie. That's the lie that you keep perpetrating. You don't own shit. Your name is not on that. That would be public record. And available to anyone.
I'm not going to bring it up on screen because it does have a phone number. But yeah, he's accusing me of swatting him. By all means, if you can prove that.
I have people trying to stalk me all the time. I don't know why else you would want to find out where I live if you're not trying to stalk me. I can't think of another reason for that. So yeah, I got somebody with an Apple phone and had him ride with me. I have Samsung and stuff.
Oh, he's claiming that I never cuffed anyone, which I've probably cuffed hundreds of people in jail where I worked. I was never employed by a jail. No, I was employed by a police department that had a jail in it. Apparently, I don't have a job. Apparently, I'm not a legit veteran.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, as long as we got a voucher.
I reuse other body cam footage for income. You dumb fucking bitch.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
You literally steal my content and add nothing. If you guys want to, go to Mystery Sovcit Theater.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
Report him, whatever. I think he's got 2 accounts where he's actively impersonating me. This guy genuinely needs to stay off the internet.
Go outside, nerd. Get out. Go. I ain't got time to be distracted by your worthless chime-ins. Go on.
Yeah, what measures can be done now? I could report it.
I don't want to toot my own horn.
You guys could report it. But honestly, what you probably should do, on your own accord, I'm not asking you to do this, but go comment. And tell him that you know that because he's so scared of me personally, he won't get on panel with me because he knows everything that he's saying is fucking slander, so he won't dare get on panel with me. It's very sad. He's also supporting, he supported a kid who grabbed an officer's dick. So, being the asshole that I am, boxed. Anywho, so this is just my 2 cents on the subject. So, this is going to be a quick 10-second interview, Wrangler. Have you learned from your mistakes?
Yes.
Are you currently doing any fuck shit?
No.
Okay, there we go. All good.
To his mom's VCR.
We do not care.
I don't really give a fuck. I really don't give a fuck.
That's suspicious. That's weird. And you want to know what else is funny?
I think if you call in a knowingly false SWAT call, you should be executed publicly.